Welcome to Take 2 with Archer Library, First Year Seminar Activity Ticket. I'm Diane Schrecker, Curriculum and Instruction Librarian, Head of the Instructional Resource Center at Archer Library. This tutorial provides a review of the First Year Seminar Activity Ticket, and it features tips for locating the FYS Library Guide and the Activity Tickets overview. From the library website, select Library Guides from the link located below OneSearch. On the Library Guides homepage, scroll through the alphabetical subject list to First Year Seminar. Choose the FYS 1 First Year Seminar Library Guide. Next, select the FYS Activity Overview tab. Here you'll find an image of the activity ticket and directions. You received a ticket during your classes, Archer Library and WCC orientation session. These two spaces, indicated by a star, are already punched on your ticket. You will visit each of the 4 remaining spaces, all located in Archer Library, by September 30th. You will meet a librarian at the Library Information Desk, visit the Writing and Communication Center and meet a writing coach, go to the Information and Circulation Desk and have your ID checked in our system, and visit the IRC on the 2nd floor. Each area will then punch your ticket. When finished, turn in your completed ticket at the Library Information Desk. You'll receive a swag bag and be able to present your ID to be scanned and entered in a drawing to win one of 3 gift cards. If you have any questions about this activity, please contact me or stop in the Instructional Resource Center for help.